You see, doesn't matter what time of the year it is, the question is pretty much the same. Can you make a full-time income from just reselling? And I've always answered in the affirmative, yes, you can. It all depends on how much time you are willing to put in. It's not about if you can make a full-time income. As a matter of fact, you can make more than full-time income from reselling. But the problem is, how much time or how much sacrifice are you willing to take? Are you willing to go the extra mile to make this full-time income? I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to give up before they pay that ultimate sacrifice, because the truth is, it is not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of sacrifice from you. It's going to tax your mental strength, your toughness, even your physical stamina is going to be tasked. If you decide that reselling is what you want to do, for a living, I'm telling you, forget about what you see on the internet. Yes, I'm guilty of it. Sometimes we come here, want to flex what we have achieved, flex the money we have made reselling computers like I do. I sell used computers, desktop PCs and stuff like that. We come here, tell you that, look, somebody has paid this. A few days ago, somebody went to my shop, dropped 734 euros for just a mini PC. Yes, you heard me right. A mini PC for 734 euros. Of course, I made my profit from that transaction. I'm happy that transactions like this can actually go through my shop. Of course, I'm not just going to take the 730 something euros and keep it as profit. I have to, pay for the cost of goods. I have to pay for the cost of shipping. I have to pay the tax man. And I still have to pay for my warehouse and stuff like that. There are expenses that goes with this transaction. Of course, you can actually pull this process on rinse and repeat. If you are fortunate to make like 60 euros, selling one mini PC, and you do that, 20, 30, 40, 50 times in a month, of course, you are in for something. But there are people that will just want to play this game of, I want to be a reseller. I'm just going to do reselling. I'm going to take every hour in the day to try to be a reseller. That might not be a good strategy in this day and time. Of course, there was a time where you could solely say, you know what, I just want to be a reseller. I don't want to do anything because I need all the hours I can to put into reselling. But I can tell you that if you want to play that game into this time, you might be shocked because things have changed. All right. There's going to be times where, you may not be getting the sales that you need, not because of your own problem, because this was what we used to think back in the days when things were not selling. What is going to tell you guys, you need to look inwards. Maybe you are doing something wrong. Maybe it's this and that. Look, guys, I'm telling you, I've been there. I've done everything right that I need to do on my shop. Price research, photographs. If you go to the link in the description below, you're going to find a link to my shop so you can take a look for yourself. Good listing templates, decent item. The product have been well researched. And when you have done all these things and sales still doesn't come through, then you want to take a look and say, look, this is no longer a fault of mine. It is coming from the system. It might be coming from the time of the year. It might be coming from the competition, and so on and so forth. All right. But if you do not want to be stressed in those times where sales are not coming through, you want to begin to look inwards and see what you can actually do on the side. See, content creation is a thing. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you that, look, you're going to make just peanuts. See, I have the rare privilege of seeing the back end data from monetized channels. Guys, this can quickly amount to something. People come here and try to tell you from AdSense, don't take a look at it. Guys, there's an account that I manage where the AdSense runs to about 2,000 euros a month simply doing nothing, because these videos are posted in a niche where, people are naturally very, very interested in. As soon as the video drops, they get views. I'm telling you, not even outrageous views. The views tends to, die out at about, 15, 20,000, 30,000 when it's so good, and at the end of the month, I am shocked at what comes in. And there are people on this YouTube street, on the finance niche, make money online niche, that pull in every video going like 150,000. I'm telling you, the AdSense alone on those accounts can quickly amount to a lot of things. So if you are thinking to yourself, I don't know what to do, I want to make a full-time income, but right now it's not happening. I'm a reseller. You want to take advantage of what is currently happening today with content creation. Forget about what those people are telling you. Yes, it could be meager. I'm not going to lie, because it depends on the niche that you are in. If you are in a niche where people are not so, ready to buy or willing to just watch videos, then you might be having to struggle. But of course, you have to play your cards very well. Take a look at the niche that you can actually, be relevant in. If you sell online, you are pretty much closer to the make money online niche. Begin to teach people what you know. You're going to be shocked. You might be lucky at some point your account, might be approved to be monetized. Yes, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's something that's going to come easy. It depends on so many factors. I still have about 2 or 3 channels that I'm trying to get monetized, and for some funny reason, they are not getting traction. And most of the time, those reasons are just beyond your control. But I'm saying that you could leverage, the power of social media today as a side income. Take a look at how you can get a job not so far away from wherever you operate your business. You could get a teaching job. You could get a warehouse job. You could get a security job, whatever it is, just to be sure that when the time comes where reselling is not, moving the way it should, you're not going to be stressed out. I'm telling you, the stress that comes from you not having money, especially when they are bees mounting, you don't want to be part of it. It could be very stressful. It could wear you out. And if you are not careful, it could be the reason why you are just going around feeling so angry, frustrated. Do not just sit down and chill out and say, yes, I'm a reseller. I want to make a full-time income from there. Like I said, it is possible. But the thing is, you want to play the game very well so that you can actually make that money in the shortest possible time. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to, make 15,000 euros over a period of, 20 years. If you can make it today, why not go for it? If you have time, go for it. If you have not put your processes on rinse and repeat, you have not automated your processes in your reselling business, go ahead and do it. I used to, there was a time I used to waste a lot of time. I didn't know I was wasting time because I didn't know what I didn't know. I thought I was a reseller, see, but the moment I began to streamline my processes, use the power of AI to make things kind of work faster and smarter, I was amazed how much time I still had left. The time could be put into other, ventures, other creative activities, even put into a normal, regular job. At the end of the day, it's all about you being, financially free. I feel like putting this video out there just to put somebody's, stress at bay, just to put somebody's stress at bay, because I understand that when you are a reseller and things are not selling exactly the way it is right now, it could be a major source of stress. Think about what you can do on the side. Even though your eyes are fixed on that goal of making a full-time income from reselling, do not forget, if you have possibility to work, go for it. If you have possibility to make videos and post it on a platform, go for it. If you have possibility to start another kind of business, let's say a service-based business, where you will render, valuable service, could be gardening service, it could be cleaning, it could be stuff like that, go for it. At the end of the day, you are going to be glad you did. It might be stressful, but believe me, the muscles that you develop from these activities are just going to help you to become a better person. Until I see you again in the next video, peace out.